All right, 53, again, we're talking about domain and range. We have the graph. So uh, graph this for the domain is that. So what would that graph look like? You know, we're just graphing the domain there of -8, -4, 0, 4, and 8. So what we need to do is figure out where those ordered pairs are going to go. All right, so if maybe I need to solve this for y right now. Let's go ahead and solve this for y. We're going to have 4y equals positive 2x plus 4. So you have that. Then we're going to divide by 4. So y equals 2 divided by 4 is 1/2 x. And then you divide this 4 by the 4, and you get plus 1. So you have y equals 1/2 x plus 1. Now I'm going to set up a table with those numbers that we have listed in the domain. Remember, domain is what you plug in for x. So you got -8, -4, 0, 4, and 8. So if I plug in -8 for x right here, half of -8 is -4. -4 plus 1 is -3. Plug in -4 for x. Half of -4 is -2. -2 plus 1 is -1. And then plug in 0 for x right there. That would be 1/2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now we're going to plug in positive 4 right here for x. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then finally we finish up by plugging in 8 for x right here. Half of 8 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is your domain. All of these numbers right here. And we found the range. So where do we see those points plotted? -8, -3. I believe that's right here. See -8, -3. The problem with this is everything is plotted, everything in between these numbers. The domain is only these numbers here. So that's why A is not going to be your answer. And it looks like the answer might be C up here. If we plug in -4, -1, -4, -1 is here. Notice it's going by 2's. 0, 1. 0, 1 is here. 4, 3. Here's 4, 3. And this other point out here is 8, 5, which is the last point. So this is your answer.